All right, how many of you guys work in your driveways and get constantly bombarded by blood-sucking creatures such as mosquitoes, horseflies, deer flies, whatever? Well, living in the Northeast, we have these Asian tiger mosquitoes that are really aggressive, and plants like lavender and citronella don't really help. So today I bought this expensive $50 rechargeable device, and let's see if this thing can save my body. Let's go check it out. Alright, so this thing is rechargeable. It has a battery inside and comes with these expensive pods, which are over $10, but they supposedly last over 12 hours. It's the Thermacell Mosquito Repellent EX series. Works with a 20-foot, I believe, protection zone. So, you know, if you're working on your driveway, it should be sufficient. Comes with the rechargeable battery, USB cable, pods, and whatever. So I am going to be filming a different video out right now and going to be seeing if this thing really works. Over here we get these aggressive Asian tiger mosquitoes that basically you know, a lot of repellents won't work against. I have a bunch of lavender citronella plants in my backyard and they don't do anything. So I'm going to be getting started here, installing the repellent. It says here, take up to 15 minutes. You can just leave it out for 15 minutes and come back, and we'll see if this thing works. All right, stay tuned. All right, I'm already getting swarmed by some of these Asian tiger mosquitoes. So I'm going to be placing it right next to my car and turning it on. All right. Has a button here that shows the power. Well, it had 2 dots on it, but I'm not going to be sitting out for too long. Currently it's 92 degrees and it's hot. So I am guessing this means it is on. We'll come back in 15 minutes. All right, we're back out here. 15 minutes later, the thing stopped spinning. Upon reading instructions, and it spins, that means it's cooking the oils that's in that pod. I forgot to clarify that this battery lasts for 9 hours. Oh, you can see some of the smoke coming out. Okay, well anyways, yeah, the battery lasts for 9 hours, the rechargeable battery. The pods last for up to 40 hours. The one that comes with it only comes with 12 hours worth of juice. So we only got 9 hours out of that. And also I wanted to clarify, I mentioned before that the pods are $10. Boy, was I mistaken. Those are close to $20 a pod. So this thing is expensive. So I'm going to be seeing if this thing actually works. If it's not, I am definitely going to be returning it because this thing is expensive. So I'll be back in half an hour to give you the results and if I got any mosquito bites. All right, I am filming here. I'm not sure if you can see it. See a tiger mosquito here. This thing is on and it is working. I see, oh, right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's still buzzing around. So, not sure if this thing works officially, but it did not bite me. So, I guess that's a plus. Just flew away. So, I guess it doesn't smell my CO2 or recognize my heat level. But I did see one mosquito within the 20-foot perimeter and it was literally flying right on top of it. So we'll keep an eye out and see if any more mosquitoes come. All right, so I was just less than 10 feet away and I've gotten bitten twice by 2 mosquitoes, Asian tiger mosquitoes. I'm starting to doubt this product if it actually works against Asian tiger mosquitoes. It might work against other mosquitoes, but Asian tiger mosquitoes are just way too aggressive and does not work. So I guess I'm going to be having to return this product considering it's so expensive, $50. I mean, come on. All right, well anyways, I would not suggest using this product as it did not help me in my situation. Yeah. All right, just got back into the house. Yep, there's mosquito bite number 1. There's another one on my leg and on my elbow. So, like I said, these Asian tiger mosquitoes are definitely no joke. So, even with that $50 Thermacell EX90, it didn't do the job. I got bitten like 3 times so far. Waiting to see if any more pop up later on. But anyways, there is a little hack, not really hack, but tip that I use to soothe your mosquito bites instantly is to get a hot spoon, a little cup of boiling water, heat up that spoon until it's boiling hot, and lightly tap on the mosquito bite. So basically the heat will break down the saliva proteins that the mosquitoes inject into your body, and it'll stop itching for the most part. Sometimes you might have to do it twice, but I've had much success doing that little tip there. So yeah, at least you get something out of this video here. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.